In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Acrobat for free. This powerful tool is incredibly versatile and offers a wide array of features perfect for managing PDF files. And today, I'll guide you through the basics right from your homepage. Once you're on the Adobe Acrobat homepage, you're going to notice a layout that's both intuitive and user-friendly. Now, from this page, you'll have the option to either create a new document or continue working on something recent. This flexibility allows for efficient handling of your documents, whether you're starting fresh or picking up where you left off. As you navigate the homepage, you'll see you can head directly into editing, converting, and e-signing just by hovering your cursor over the desired option. This setup makes it incredibly straightforward to jump into the task you want to accomplish without unnecessary clicks or confusion. If you decide that you want to edit a document, simply click on the Edit button. From here, you can select text and images, providing you the ability to make precise changes to your PDF documents. After selecting, you can add your file into the interface, allowing you to start modifying as needed, whether it's correcting a typo or altering an image. Suppose you need to convert your file into another format. Adobe Acrobat has you covered on that front as well. You just click on the Convert button, and this will bring up a menu where you can choose the format you wish to convert your file into. Options here can include Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, and more, providing you the versatility to work across different platforms with ease. For those needing to add an electronic signature to a document, or perhaps request one from someone else, the e-sign feature is particularly useful. Simply navigate to the e-sign section and follow the prompts to add an e-signature to your file. This is especially handy for formal documents that require signatures for completion and submission. Adobe Acrobat is a robust tool, with even more features waiting for you to explore. Feel free to spend time playing around with the many options available to discover what more it can do. With its comprehensive features, Adobe Acrobat goes beyond the basics of PDF handling, offering solutions to meet almost any PDF-related need you might encounter. By understanding and making use of these features, you can effectively harness the full potential of Adobe Acrobat, making it a productive part of your digital toolkit. So go ahead, start exploring, and maximize the capabilities of Adobe Acrobat for all your document management needs.